Welcome to Amaya Online. In today's video, we'll be showcasing Kalamkari silk cotton sarees. These silk cotton sarees are very lightweight and very easy to maintain. They come in nice colors and very interesting prints. So all these Kalamkari sarees are screen printed sarees. While they are screen printed, but still they go all the process of Kalamkari, like the washing and the boiling and drying in the sun. So all the sarees basically are already pre-washed, which means they will not shrink again and they may be washed at home. So let's get started with the show. To block any of the sarees in this video, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. You may also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We are Amaya Online. To get notified about our future videos, please subscribe to our channel. So what we see on her is sari number 1. Sari number 1 is an interesting off-white sari with nice mustard prints all over the body of the sari, like that. It's got border on only one side of the sari in a mustard and green combo, like that. So that will be the sari for you. And it's got an interesting pallu with Lord Krishna in it and a nice big peacock. So that's the sari. It's also got a printed blouse. So that will be the sari for you. So this sari number 1 priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. So here we have sari number 2. Sari number 2 is a nice off-white sari with beautiful printed vines all over the body of the sari. Nice floral printed vines. So it's got nice black borders on both the sides with the peacocks printed in it. So that's the sari for you. We have a very interesting pallu with beautiful printed peacocks in mustard and black. And that's the blouse. Yeah. So it's a nice printed off-white blouse. Most of the sarees in Kalamkari will have an off-white blouse. So this is sari number 2 priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to our number. Here we have sari number 3. It's a very pretty sari. It's got these series of borders all over the body of the sari. So that will be the sari for you. It's got very interesting borders with cows and elephants and other palanquin bearers all over the body of the sari. So it's a series of borders actually. And it's a printed pallu with beautiful peacocks and a floral printed blouse. So this is sari number 3 priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Here we have an off-white sari. It's a very pretty white sari with printed branches and birds all over the sari. So that will be the sari for you, and it's got nice zigzag borders on both the sides. The upper border is smaller than the lower border. The lower border also features printed vines. So that is the sari. It's got a very beautiful printed pallu with peacocks and vines in the pallu. And that's the printed blouse of the sari. So this is sari number 4 priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. So this is sari number 5. It's a nice block printed sari. It's got these beautiful printed floral prints all over the body of the sari on a black base. It's got nice borders on both the sides. It's also got a piping borders on both the sides. So the piping borders make the sari very interesting. It's a nice hand block printed pallu with nice flowers and other prints. It's an off-white and indigo printed blouse. So this is sari number 5, priced at 15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. We have sari number 6 here. It's a very pretty red sari with printed vines all over the body of the sari in red and blue and green, like that. The borders feature printed birds perched on beautiful branches on both sides of the sari. Yeah. So this is sari number 6, and that's the printed pallu with Lord Krishna and Arjuna. Sorry, Krishna and his gopikas. And that's a printed blouse. So this is sari number 6, priced at 15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So now we have sari number 7. Sari number 7 is a beautiful off-white sari with this very interesting prints all over the body of the sari. It's got these peacocks printed at the bottom of the sari, and it's also got a small border like that. So please note that there's only one border for the sari, and that's in a grey and black printed pallu. It's got beautiful peacocks in it, and it's an off-white printed blouse. So the sari number 7, priced at 15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. We have sari number 8 here. It's a nice bright red sari with printed instruments all over the body of the sari. Like you can see tablas, veenas and tamburas all over the body of the sari, like that. So it's also got a nice border on one side, again with printed instruments
on off-white
base. So please note that there's a border on only one side for the sari. That's the pallu. It's a nice paisleys and floral printed pallu. It's got a printed blouse like that. So this is sari number 8, priced at 15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. This is sari number 9. Sari number 9 is an off-white sari with printed vines all over the body of the sari. So you can see vines in mustard and grey printed all over the body. It's also got small blue, a tinge of blue. So it's got border on one side in a grey base with printed vines all over the border, like that. So that's the, yeah. So it's a nice printed pallu. That's the pallu. And an off-white printed vines on a blouse. So this is sari number 9, priced at 15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. This is a very popular sari, this printed vines sari with the red borders on both the sides. The entire body is in a black base with interesting prints all over the body of the sari, like that. The borders feature beautiful vines and peacocks, like that. So this is the sari for you. The pallu. Yeah. So that's the printed pallu. And a nice printed blouse. So the sari number 10, priced at 15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to the above numbers. We have sari number 11 here. It's a red sari with printed vines all over the body of the sari. You can see it's got interesting birds and very pretty prints all over the body of the sari. It's got border on one side, an off-white border with colorful printed vines again. So that's the sari for you. And it's got a nice printed pallu. It's got Radha Krishna in the pallu on a mustard and red base. So nice printed blouse on an off-white base. So this is sari number 11, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. This is sari number 12. It's a nice black sari with printed vines all over the body of the sari. The borders feature peacocks in an orange and red base, like that. So that's the sari for you.
Yeah, the borders are on both sides of the sari.
Yeah, the borders are on both sides of the sari. That's the printed pallu, a nice big peacock. And an off-white printed blouse on a red, in red and black. So this is sari number 12, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to our number. So here we have sari number 13. It's a pretty blue color sari with vines all over the body of the sari. It's the same as the previous sari in a different color. So that's the sari for you. It's got nice orange borders on both the sides with a tinge of green all over. That's a nice printed peacock with the pallu on an orange base. With a printed blouse in an off-white and green combo. So this is sari number 13, priced at $15.99. To order the sari online, please take a screenshot and send it to us. The sari number 14 here. It's a nice off-white sari with printed floral vines all over the body of the sari. It's got nice blue borders on both the sides. The upper border features venas and vines all over. The lower border is a little different with printed lotuses and peacocks all over. That's a nice printed peacock in the pallu on a red base. And that's a printed blouse. So this is sari number 14, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. So the sari number 15 here. It's a nice off-white sari with printed vines all over. You'd seen another color in this previously. So this is an off-white sari with mustard and bottle green vines printed all over the body. It's got a blue border on one side only with printed vines. That's the pallu. It's nice kalamkari printed pallu. It's got an off-white and blue printed blouse like that. So this sari number 15, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to the above numbers. Yeah. So this sari number 16, it's a nice black sari with printed jewel-like patterns all over the body of the sari. It's got a nice computerized design type of borders on both the sides, like that. So that's the sari for you. While the pallu is a very traditional kalamkari print, it's got nice peacocks and other prints all over the body all over the pallu. And it's got a traditional printed blouse with instruments. So this is sari number 16, priced at $15.99. This is the last sari of this video. To block any of the saris in this video, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. We are present on Facebook and Instagram. We are Amio Online. Please follow us. And to get notified when we upload a new video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you. Stay safe.